New at 6 o'clock, as some things start getting back to normal, a short documentary shot at Sharp Memorial Hospital is giving us a look inside the life of a San Diego ICU nurse working on the front lines for the past year. ABC 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala spoke with that nurse and the filmmaker about the goal of this film.
The community around us calls us heroes, but I have trouble taking that in. It doesn't feel heroic when we can't give our patients the comfort that they want, or we can't let their loved ones in because of visitation rules, or when we zip up a body bag quickly after they die in order to make room for the next person.
That's a glimpse into what life looked like for the past year for Sharp Memorial ICU nurse Deanna Okajima. With under 3 years of experience as a nurse, she had just shifted to the ICU as the COVID-19 pandemic began.
I didn't quite feel prepared. We were all kind of transitioning together.
The short documentary film Exposure, produced, shot, and edited entirely by filmmaker Claire Imler, Deanna's childhood friend, gives us an intimate look at some of the challenges nurses faced as COVID-19 patients were hospitalized. They not only took care of each person and prepared for the next, but also worked to connect patients with their families.
I'd like to set up a Zoom meeting if you want to. We really encourage families to call.
I also hope that people just look at it and appreciate everything nurses like Deanna have had to face this past year.
Working with COVID-19 patients changed nursing as Deanna knew it.
We learned to prepare before we go into the rooms, before we run in. We learn to think critically about the number of things that could go wrong.
As hospitals are looking better, vaccines are now available, and some people are returning to a little bit of normalcy. Both hope the documentary will always serve as a reminder of what many healthcare workers live through and their resilience.
I hope that this film serves as a memoir for our healthcare providers across the world.
Mimi Alcala, ABC 10 News.
A link to the 11-minute documentary will be posted on our website, 10news.com.